We are at Penong on the Nullarbor Highway. We've come to the Windmill Museum and it's really, really beautiful. They are showing old, new, small and big windmills. The biggest windmill in Australia is called Bruce, and it was amazing work how all the people have got together and donated all these windmills to show, and they're all still turning. It's a wonderful place to actually have a look at, and there's quite a lot of history. Some of the windmills are come from very far away, from Marla, Riverland and Alice Springs even. Yeah, so it's a great stop off. It's not far. It's free, plenty of room in the car park. So that's all there is to say, because there's a lot of windmills and you just keep looking. Enjoy.